So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create your landing pages or your funnels. Depending on what level you have, if you have the CRM suite or you have the marketing automation suite, you'll be able to do a lot more robust things with the marketing automation suite. So let's log in, and when you go to here, you're going to go to sites. Okay, you're going to go to your sites page, and then you're going to see funnels. So remember, if you have the old sidebar, then this is what it would look like here. Okay. We're going to go to funnels and websites, but with the new sidebar, you're going to go to sites, and then we're going to create a funnel. So I'm in the demo account here. Let's create a name for it. So let's call it, let's say that I am creating a ebook giveaway. So ebook, let's call this ebook freebie. Okay, and let's create funnel. Now, funnel just simply means multiple landing pages that pushes people to one specific goal. So that's what a funnel means. Multiple landing pages that brings people through one specific goal. So let's say, for example, I'm giving away an ebook to get appointments. So that's an example. Now, each step is considered a landing page. So let's call the first landing page, let's call this the ebook freebie, opt-in, and we're going to call this a path. Now the path is just going to be the what comes after the slash. So let's just call this success. Okay, let's just call this success. And then we're going to click on edit page. Now the great thing about our platform is that we actually connect natively to import from ClickFunnels. Now, if you're familiar with ClickFunnels, if you built content inside of ClickFunnels, it brings in about 95%. If there's like heavy editing and heavy CSS coding, then it's gonna bring about 95% of your actual funnel from ClickFunnels. So it's really easy to migrate, okay? So you're gonna click on edit page. So once you create your first page, you're gonna click on edit page, okay? And you're going to see inside of Progreda that you have a completely blank template. Okay, this is completely blank. This is like your masterpiece. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start with a section, and in the section you want to add a row. So you can determine what is, how many elements are going to be in your row. So for example here, so you start off with this section, and then we added a row. So I just chose to do a 1-column row. You can add a 2-column row if you would like. So let's say, for example, I want to have a paragraph right here, and I want to have, let me delete this element here, and I want to have a video right here. Okay, so I can connect it from YouTube right here. I just put the URL from YouTube. So let me go to YouTube real quick and grab a URL. So I am on my YouTube. Let me just come here and grab this specific URL. So this is a video. This happens to be a video of me at speaking at an event in Miami that we just posted. Right. So I want. Let's just say, for example, I want to use this URL, this YouTube video. So I'm gonna click on here, paste the video, and then boom, just right there. And let's put a headline up here. So let's just drag and drop a headline. Succeed. Let's just call it "Succeed with Andy." Okay. Make it real simple. And let's just add another element. We can come now, depending on what you have. If you have the marketing automation suite, you can actually create forms inside of the platform. Now, if you have the lower plan, like the CRM suite, for example, then you would have to connect your MailChimp or your other softwares inside of here by putting a custom code. So you can put your form right here. Let's just use a drop-down form. This is an example form that I created specifically for this. Okay, and it could be really just this simple, right? Really just as simple. And let's say that I can add background images here. And if I want, I can add a background color. So let's just make this, I don't know, let's make it green. Let's make it blue. That looks better. Let's make it blue. And then I'll click save. You can put your SEO metadata, so that way it's easily found on Google and Yahoo. So you can put what you want to say, "Succeed with Andy." So this is an example down here of what it would look like when it's found on Google. You can put your social image. Your social image, when you upload it here, when you click upload, you can actually connect it with your back office. You can actually connect it with your back office, and let's click save. So a social image, when you put a specific image URL here, when you share this landing page or marketing funnel, when you share it, what's going to end up happening is that this specific email is going to be what's seen. So let's call it Succeed with Andy. We can add a description here, whatever you want the description to be. Okay, and this is how it will look like on Google or Yahoo and so forth. So we'll click yes, save, and let's preview what it looks like. Okay, and just like this. So now people can come in, they can watch this video right on YouTube. Okay, this is real simple, connected to YouTube, and you can of course edit it as much as you want. You can add multiple elements into your platform. You can add a section here. Let's just put another section here. You can add on multiple elements if you like. You can put big buttons there. Okay, like for example, click here to sign up. Let's add another element. You could add other videos. You could put a countdown timer if you wanted. Okay, so let me just add a row here. Put it right here. I can put a countdown timer and have it be set there. It could be done to a specific date, a specific time. Let's say you're giving a freebie or it's only available until a certain date. You can put all that information there, put this on your landing page, and make it as, it's just such a robust system for you to use to create multiple web pages and multiple websites. This is such a robust system because you can literally create anything to your heart's desire, okay? You can always click preview, make sure that you click save. So you're gonna edit this as much as you want. You can upgrade the size of it. There's a different version between the mobile, so if you wanna see what mobile looks like, you'll use this button here. So let's look at what it would look like on a phone. Okay, so this is what it would look like if it was on a phone. But let's say I wanted the video to be on top of the form. So I would click up right here. And now the video is on top of the form, and just this simple. I could put your text here, so I can say download my freebie ebook here, and you will get it via email, okay? Now the great thing is if you have the marketing automation suite, you can really automate things where as soon as the lead comes in, it will automatically send the ebook based on that specific form. And now let's preview the site. As it loads, as it continues to load here. And now this is what it would look like here if I wanted it to look like this, okay? So it's really simple for you to use, really simple for you to edit. Based on this information, let's say this is too big and I want to bring the size down a little bit, I can make it look like this. I can say, hey, you know what, I want it to be a little bit bigger. I can make it look like that. If I really want to get into details, I can change it up here, okay? Same thing here with your content here. You can always change it here. Upgrade the size, make it bigger, make it smaller, and so on and so forth, okay? So such a robust system. You can create as many web pages as you want inside your funnel. So you click save, and then let's go back here, back one more. And let's say that when someone submits, so I'm here in a demo account, so there is no payment method. That's why you see that here. So let me close this out. And so let's say, for example, after someone opts in, I want them to book an appointment. So book appointment. Book appointment, and let's click create funnel step. So that's the second one. Is going to be the ability to book an appointment. So let's click edit page. Now it's going to be completely blank. So let's add the first row, and let's make it real simple. Let's add the calendar. So let's put it right here. So it's going to ask me to choose a calendar. Let's just choose one that I've created called sales appointment. Now, if I would like, I can add a video if I wanted to really, that I can record, for example, on my phone, upload it to YouTube. So let's just add another element. Let's just add a video, for example, here. that I can upload to YouTube. I'm going to use this one again because I already have it. And I'm going to come here, just add the URL for YouTube. Okay, from YouTube, click save, add the metadata if I need it, if I want to, and then this is what it would look like, where I can record a video, and it could be a video of me introducing someone, I could say, hey, come and get on a call with me. This is what you're going to learn down below. Put in your information to book an appointment with me. Okay, that's an example. And then that person can now choose a time, go through the whole process, and book an appointment, all automated. Okay, so meaning that they can go from page 1 to page 2, all completely automated. Now next, I'm going to show you, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain.